Tired of your Gamma AI images looking flat and unfocused? You drop in a perfect photo, but the presentation crops it in a way that hides the most important part. It's frustrating, right? Well, you can actually change that in just a few clicks. Learn to change the focus point in seconds and make your slides really pop. Here's the plan. I'm going to show you exactly where to click to adjust the focus point on any image. Just 3 simple steps. So let's start with the first thing you need to do. You need to select the image you want to adjust. Now, the reason we do this first is simple. Gamma AI doesn't know which picture you want to change unless you tell it. So just click directly on the image in your slide. You'll know it's selected when you see a blue border appear around it. Make sure you click the picture itself, not the text box next to it. That's a super common mistake. People click the background or the caption, and then they wonder why the focus option isn't showing up. So just click right on the photo until it's highlighted. All right, now that we've got that selected, let's move on to the next part. Look up at the toolbar that appears above your slide. You'll see a few different options there. What you're looking for is the button that says Change Focus Point. This is the key step. The reason this tool exists is because Gamma AI automatically chooses a focal area for every image you upload. Usually it picks the center. But if your subject is off to the side, or if there's a specific detail you want to highlight, you need to override that automatic choice. So just go ahead and click that Change Focus Point option now. Nothing scary here, I promise. It won't change anything yet. It just opens up the tool. Now, once you click that, you'll see a little dot or a cursor appear on your image. Here's the really important part. You need to click on the exact area of the image that you want to be the new focus. So if you have a photo of a person standing on the left side, click on that person. If there's a product in the corner, click right on the product. When you do this, Gamma AI instantly recalculates how it crops and displays the image in your slide. You'll see the image shift slightly to center that new point. And that's it. You've just taken control of your presentation's focus. And here's a practical tip. If you don't like the result, just click on a different spot. You can do this as many times as you want until it looks perfect. So now you know how to do it. What used to be a frustrating guessing game is now a simple, deliberate choice. Instead of static, unfocused images, you are now creating dynamic presentations where you control exactly what the viewer sees. That's a huge upgrade. Go ahead and open up your Gamma AI presentation and try this out on your most cluttered slide. I think you're going to be surprised at how much more professional everything looks when the image actually supports your message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.